Have you ever felt like no matter how much effort you put in, nothing seems to change? It can be really discouraging. But what if I told you that growth is happening just beneath the surface? This is what we call the plateau of latent potential. The plateau of latent potential refers to a period where your hard work doesn't show immediate results, even though progress is happening behind the scenes. It is closely tied to delayed gratification. Results compound over time, and the big payoff comes only after consistent efforts. James Clear discusses this concept in his book The Atomic Habits. He compares it to bamboo growth. When you plant a bamboo, it doesn't grow above the ground for years together. It is busy building a strong root system. But once it is ready, it can grow up to 90 feet in just a few weeks. This shows us that success often lies beyond the plateau. The key is to stay patient and keep going, even when results aren't obvious or are not seen. Now, let us talk about how the plateau of latent potential applies to learning the English language. Learning English can feel like a frustrating journey. The first reason is that skill accumulation takes time. You are building vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and much more, but everything very gradually. Progress isn't always obvious. The second reason is misaligned expectations. Many people expect to become fluent in a few months. But remember, mastering a language takes time and consistent efforts from the learner. The third reason is critical threshold. Your brain is processing patterns and rules, but this will not show in smooth conversations until you reach a tipping point. Let us understand these points with the help of an example. Ravi is learning English and working hard. He attends classes, practices speaking, and listens to podcasts. But after 3 months, he still hesitates in his conversations. This is the plateau. Here, Ravi feels stuck, even though he is improving beneath the surface. Then, suddenly after 6 months, something clicks. He realizes he is speaking more naturally and responding without translating. That is his breakthrough, proof that his efforts were paying off all along. The plateau of latent potential is a natural part of any learning journey. If you are learning English and feel stuck, remember, growth is happening, even if you can't see it. Stay consistent, trust the process, and celebrate small wins. Your breakthrough will come, and it will reflect all the hard work you have invested. Keep believing in your ability to improve, and you will definitely succeed.